Hi guys, this video will like to show you how to drawing step by step at the countryside in the lamp. So the first step you do like this. Okay, and the next step. Second step. Oh my god. It's not good, right? Just importing like this. The tree I draw like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and this is the tree, also small tree, the grass, something like that. And yes sir, yes sir, and some flower in here. I draw this flower here. Okay, and also in here we have flower too. Okay, and this one the cloud. And the sun side, the sun here, chick smiling, and the lamp has the like this lamp. Okay, and the cloud here. Okay, and some grass in here. Yes. One more. Let's say Papa give only one more and finish, okay? And so we coloring. Okay. Alright. And another one, I put the water. We call it water. Alright. And the cloud here. Cloud. Okay. And the tree like this. This color for tree. And we have some mountain. Alright, mountain. The land. And also we have some flower, the yellow one. So this one. Also. Alright, and also we put some like this, and some yellow.
Ba liệt khóa với